In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed content in Excel, whether it's a file like a PDF or a Word document, a chart, or even an image. This skill is perfect for keeping your spreadsheet comprehensive and professional. Let's begin by learning how to embed files as objects, like Word documents or PDFs. First, you'll want to determine where this file should reside in your Excel sheet. Simply click on the cell where you want the object to be. Once you've selected your cell, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your Excel window. In the text group, you'll see an option labeled Object. Go ahead and click on that. A dialog box will appear with two different tabs, Create New and Create from File. If you wish to embed a fresh document or file, like a new Word doc, select the Create New option. Otherwise, if you have an existing file on your computer that you want to embed, click on the Create from File tab. For those who want something a bit more condensed or visually pleasing, you can check the option to Display as Icon. This choice is ideal if you prefer to insert just an icon rather than the whole preview of the document. Once you're satisfied with your selections, you can click OK. Now, the file is embedded directly onto your sheet. It's a neat feature because double-clicking on the object will open the embedded file for you. It's important to talk a bit about the difference between an embedded and a linked object. When you embed an object, it is fully contained within your spreadsheet. This means any changes you make to the original file on your computer won't affect the embedded object. On the other hand, if you opt to link the object, any changes made to the original file will be reflected in your Excel document. However, keep in mind that links require access to the original file on your machine or network. Now, let's dive into embedding images within cells, particularly useful for cases like placing product photos next to inventory entries. The process of inserting an image begins similarly. Go once more to the Insert tab, but this time, click on Pictures. You can choose from this device if the picture is stored on your computer, or stock and online pictures if you have those options available. Once you've chosen your image, insert it onto your sheet. To ensure the image stays neatly within the cell, you should adjust the image's setting to Move and Size with Cells. This little trick will keep everything in place, even if you adjust the rows or columns later. And there you have it. Embedding files and images in Excel is a valuable skill that helps maintain a clean and efficient spreadsheet. It's powerful, practical, and perfect for all your Excel needs. Happy embedding!